You just found the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Malibu delivers the comfort and convenience of a four-door luxury midsize with the refined agility and sculpted looks that inspire true driving pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Torn between sporty and practical? Drive an automobile that knows how to multitask. Drive the Malibu.